Changing your payout method on Avant is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Avant website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure you have access to your registered email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This area contains all your account-related options, including payout methods. Step 3. Select payout methods. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the option to add or change your payout method. You may be prompted to enter details for your new method, such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout method details, review the information for accuracy. Confirm the changes by clicking the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your payout method on Avant. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Avant's customer support for assistance.